Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 16. World's first steam powered spacecraft has been launched by which country? Options: China, USA, India, Japan. Along with the answer, let's also learn some of the important details about the steam powered spacecraft. Japan's space agency announced that it successfully used steam to propel a spacecraft towards the moon. This Japan Space Agency is called as JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. Japan Space Exploration Agency's water-powered CubeSat spacecraft named Equilus was launched on its way by NASA's Orion spacecraft. Basically, this CubeSat spacecraft, whatever was there, it was launched as one of the payloads for NASA's Orion spacecraft, which is heading towards the moon. And the Orion spacecraft also recently broke a record for the farthest distance traveled by a human rated spacecraft. And this steam powered spacecraft, this is the world's first successful orbit control beyond low Earth orbit using water propellant propulsion system. So the right answer for the question is option D, Japan. Japan has launched the world's first steam powered spacecraft. And here is another question for you. Who has inaugurated the digiyatra facility at the IGA airport in New Delhi? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali, and also do not forget to check out the community post.